Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna go in detail to talk about the brain system, the brain for my system. So the brain here is these pairs of sensors, the infrared sensors. As I said, they come in pairs as 3 levels, A, B, and C. Each pair is distant about 10 centimeters from the other pair to give accurate measurement for time and velocity. Another thing is that each pair there is the upper, the bot sensor, and the top sensor. So the top sensor is placed about 1.5 centimeters above the bot sensors. And the idea is that the ping ball, which I'm using for blowing as a reference, the ping ball's size is about 2 centimeters or 3 centimeters. So when it's coming up or down, it might, whenever it's gonna trigger the bottom sensor, there's gonna be a time where it's only triggering the bottom sensor alone. And then there's gonna be a time when it's triggering both. There's gonna be a time where it's gonna trigger only the upper one. And if you think about it, then I came up with this idea to have a state machine system where I can differentiate where the ball is based on these sensors. And I can track the ball's movement. And that way, I can have accurate measurement and I can trigger all the sensors. So think of it as a state machine and these pair sensors as the brain, as I said in the beginning, which means they're the control system for all other sensors. Now, I'm gonna talk in the future about other sensors, like the water flow sensor that I'm using as an airflow sensor and the vibration sensors. Of course, the system may have other types of sensors, but for now, that's what I'm using. Another thing to mention, so I have level A, level B, and level C. And I'm using level A, level B, and level C for lung capacity. So I talked about mode 2 in the first video. So for mode 2, what we're doing, since we're measuring the lung capacity, as I said, so when the ball is above level A, that's level 1 for lung capacities. And we calculate how many seconds was the ball above mode 2. So what happens is in the video game, the system in the Python game sends the command mode to the Arduino, and then the system gets triggered and we start calculating how long did the ball stay above level A, how long did the ball stay above level 2, which is B, how long did the ball stay at the top, level C. And that way we can also measure this lung capacity in real time.